Welcome to AI Database Maintenance Freedom Facilities. Thank you for choosing us to transform your facility management. By registering today, you've just taken a giant leap toward the future of predictive maintenance. You're now part of an exclusive group using cutting-edge AI technology that can predict equipment failures weeks in advance, reduce downtime by up to 50%, and cut maintenance costs by 10 to 40%. Here's what happens next. Your account is active right now. Within 24 hours, our technical team will contact you to schedule your personalized system setup. We'll integrate our AI seamlessly with your existing systems, and you'll have access to all our training resources. Soon, you'll be monitoring every critical asset in real time, getting AI-powered predictions, and experiencing what we call maintenance freedom, where problems are solved before they even happen. Your dedicated account manager will reach out shortly to ensure everything is perfectly tailored to your facility's unique needs. Welcome to the future of facility management. We're excited to be part of your success story. Questions? Just reply to our welcome email or give us a call. Thank you again and welcome aboard.